But brothers and sisters, although you seem strong in this world today, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that on the Day of Judgment, you will not be strong. When He asks you that, why did you harass this person? Why did you rob this person? Why did you cheat this person? So brothers and sisters, going back to the topic, we need to use our youth as a means of getting closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And although it's tempting to have fun, to go out, to enjoy life, that you have the freedom, you have the money, you have the car, you have the means. There are so many ways nowadays to enjoy yourself, to do haram. But brothers and sisters, it is a promise from Allah that He tells us that you will be at a loss. That although now you are enjoying this dunya, although now you are enjoying the haram, that a day will come when you will get old and you will regret everything. You won't remember a single moment that you had fun in this world. That you will get to an age where you regret not spending more time in the masjid. You will get to an age where you don't even remember having fun. That all you remember is that I wasted this much time. I should have learned to read Quran. I should have learned to pray. Don't wait until you are sitting in a chair to try to make sujood to Allah. Don't wait until you have back pain to try to make ruku and stand in salah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us a time, He has given us a period in our life that we are able to do these things, that we are able to make effort and strive in the path of Allah. So use that time appropriately, brothers and sisters. And just to conclude the first khutbah, another big thing is Hajj. We see now that with the whole COVID situation, Hajj is something that we took for granted. That before people were saying, oh, I have time to go to Hajj. I have time to finish school. I have time to get that promotion at work. I have time to save up some more money to buy a house, to buy a car. I have time to go to Hajj. I don't need to rush it. That was the mentality. And now that we see that Hajj is not open to the public now, that Hajj is limited now, people are worried. People will pay double, triple just to get the chance to go to Hajj. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has shown us, brothers and sisters, that nothing is guaranteed in this world. We do not have the right to Hajj. Hajj is a privilege from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So don't procrastinate and don't say that I'll wait another 5 years. We don't know if 5 years will come. That we might live for 5 years, but who knows, Hajj might be closed for 10 years. We don't know the situation, brothers and sisters. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to use our youth to benefit us. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.